My name is Punkaj, and I have two boys. One goes in sixth grade, and other one in fifth grade. We have been with CodingZen for approximately 18 months. We have been very happy with the academy. The curriculum is very structured. It's delivered very well. The instructors are very well versed with the curriculum, and they connect with the students. Even though it's done remotely, it doesn't feel it's remote. My kids have progressed very well with coding. I'll be honest, I have no background in coding, but my kids have made major progress. Mr. Janeja, who runs the academy, does a phenomenal job in following the kids as well as keeping in touch with the parents. I'll recommend the academy to anyone with 5 stars. Thank you so much.